Right, assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to Pepe update today. The technical target I've gave you for the past few days has already been met. My expectations were also met. I've been telling you so many times you have the sideways movement, and my honest opinion is that yes, you're going to probably break above, and you actually broke in such a way that the retest never happened. And Pepe has done this so many times, where it actually breaks and never really backtests anything, and then it starts to shoot to the upside. Now, what is next for Pepe? I'm just going to remove a few drawings right over here, and there is something that I want to talk about that maybe tells me Pepe could be on a journey to go back to the all-time high, which is 17,173. Now, why do I say this? Because if you take the trend line and you drop the trend line, then you can see that this trend line was broken. There could be chance of coming down and retesting and backtesting off and then pushing up to 17,173. So that's the expectation. A move to the downside, a break above. You can actually go straight up, or maybe just retest and then go back up. That's the expectation. Now, the worst case scenario is Pepe comes to 7441. If you come down and lose this, this is going to be really bad. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one, office.